Welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at a brand new, highly ambitious contender in home automation, the MOVA MOBIUS 60 robot vacuum. Right from the moment it docks into its station, it becomes clear that this is much more than your standard robot vacuum. To start off, you can see the active mop washing and drying mechanism inside the base station. Watching how it automatically prepares and heavy-duty pads based on the selected cleaning mode is honestly impressive. As it backs out the dock, the circular right and advanced navigation signal that it's ready to go. It immediately detects scattered dirt and debris on the floor and heads straight for the cleaning zone. Let's see how the sleekly designed machine handles hard floors, and then we will take a closer look at its hardware. Holding the MOVA MOBIUS 60, the build quality stands out right away. On the top cover, there is a minimalist tactical button layout for quick manual controls. Now let's focus on the front of the unit. Here you can see the AI Smart Side module. This camera and sensor array allows the robot to recognize obstacles, furniture, and stray cables using advanced on-device AI. For the privacy conscious, there is a reassuring note. All processed data remains strictly local and is never uploaded to cloud. Flipping over slightly, we see the Max Reach brush, an extended stride brush design. When approaching edges or corners, the brush dynamically extends outward to capture debris from blind spots that traditional robots completely miss. Next up, the robots tackle a thick carpet. Deep carpet cleaning is usually a weak point for robot vacuums, but Mobius 60 handles it effortlessly. As it transitions onto fabric, the vacuum automatically senses the surface change and engages the auto pressure retention baffle. To seal the airflow, combined with its deep carpet extraction technology, it pulls up deeply embedded dust, hair, and pet dander from the base of the carpet fibers. It delivers an astonishing 30,000 PA of suction power. That level of pressure ensures that heavy particles and fine dust are pulled out in a single pass. Underneath the dual helix throw wave, anti-tangle brush roll helps prevent long hair from binding around the mechanism. Removing the brush cover for routine maintenance is a quick, tool-free process. Now for a real-world stress test, dried sticky liquid stains. Here we have a significant spill on the floor. The Mobius 60 approaches the mess utilizing its dual high-speed spinning mop pads. Thanks to downward pressure and high rotation speed, it lifts the residue on the first pass without leaving a sticky film or streaks behind. By executing a methodical pattern over the zone, it leaves the surface truly scrubbed and clean. Simultaneously, the mobile app integration manages everything smoothly in the background. The real-time map displays the precise room coordinates, cleaned area mileage, and battery percentage through the app. You can easily customize cleaning zones, set up no mop boundaries or restricted access to specific areas. Let's open up the packaging to review what comes included in the box. MOVA has provided a very comprehensive accessory kit. Removing the top layer reveals warranty card alongside a detailed instruction manual. Below that we find specialized replacement mop pads for different flooring types, the heat-optimized thermopad, the aggressive hyper-clean mop for stains, and a gentle plush mop for delicate surfaces. The kit also includes a heavy-duty power cable, a replacement high-capacity dust bag, and specialized cleaning detergents, the wood floor care solution, and a multi-surface floor cleaner. Lastly, the detachable washboard ramp for the base station is securely packed in its own compartment and snaps into place with a simple click. This massive dock is a care hub of entire system. It acts as a comprehensive hands-free maintenance center. Opening the front door panel reveals a dedicated internal storage array for your spare mopping pads. MOVA designed this vertical, ventilated door storage so pads can air dry properly, preventing mildew and odor buildup. Accessing to top compartment reveals the intelligent auto-dosing solution tank, situated next to the massive self-empty dustbin, where robot finishes cycle and docks the station automatically evacuates the internal dustbin into sealed bag, offering weeks of complete autonomous operation. To wrap up, the robot accurately guides itself back to dock and to recharge while initiating the automated pet washing and thermal drying cycle. With its premium LED indicator design, fully automated maintenance, the MOVA MOBIUS 60 sets a high standard for modern home cleaning. What are your thoughts about this 3000 powerhouse? Let me know it down in the comments. If you enjoyed this technical breakdown, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more hardware reviews. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.